Let's make your computer faster within 1 minute. Right click on the start menu, then Task Manager, click on Startup Apps, click on Status, make sure Enabled is above, disable all non-important apps. So now your boot time will be faster and it will reduce the CPU cost in the background. Click on the start menu, type Game Mode, go to the settings and enable this. Go to Graphics and enable this one and also this one. Update your graphics drivers. With Nvidia, it's the Nvidia app. Click on Drivers and then check for updates right here. Intel, just open app. It will automatically update and say it right here. Very fast. For AMD, just open the Radeon app and click right here for check updates. Right here, I recommend you to keep it on recommended and not optional, and then just download it right here. With gaming, go to the settings, make sure you select video or graphics. Scroll down until you find DLSS or FSR. Make sure you turn on the upscaler to one of these two, or if you're on Intel, this one. So then put it on balanced, for example, and don't do the sharpness too much. And make sure, if you can, turn on frame generation on Nvidia. Lower latency, also very useful, but it might cost you a turn off motion blur, please. For the rest, you can put the settings on low if you want, but you don't really have to, because your frame generation and resolution will help a lot with FPS. I have it low to have the FPS that I need, which is for my screen 144 Hz or 144 FPS. If you go above that, you won't see it on the screen and your PC has to work harder to get that FPS counter. So if you can, put your refresh rate the same as your FPS limiter. Make sure to subscribe to get more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next one, and also check out our merch and everything like that at thephonus.nl/shop. And later.